How you guys doing, and welcome to Arc Garage channel. If you want to see more Alfa Romeo related content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the cabin, fan and resistor on Alfa Romeo GT 147 and 156. To do this job properly, I'm going to use a small 1/4-inch ratchet, a spinner handle, although this one is not actually necessary, a 10mm socket, and a 5.5mm socket so I can undo all of these screws which hold the fan and resistor in place. Lastly, I'm going to use a small extension and a flathead screwdriver. Alright, let's get going. I'm going to prepare my spinner handle and my 10mm socket, and I'm going to start by removing this protective cover right here, which is held in with these three 10mm nuts. Here's the first one, here's the second one, and there's the third one right there. Also, there's this plastic screw which holds the back, and you can undo it by hand. Now that I've removed all of that, I can take the cover out. Here's our heater fan, and there's a resistor right behind it. The first thing that I'm going to do, I'm gonna unplug this connector just by pressing this little pin inside, and now you can pull the connector off. Now, to be able to remove the fan, we gotta undo this one 5.5mm screw right here. I'm gonna get my 5.5mm socket and I'm gonna unscrew it. Turn the fan clockwise, move all of the wiring out of the way, and take it out. I'm gonna move on to resistor, and to take it out I'm gonna have to remove these two screws right here. To undo them, I'm gonna switch to my 1/4-inch ratchet. Now that I got both of these screws out, I can just pull out the resistor, but before I can take it out altogether, I still gotta undo these two connectors. To undo this first one, all you gotta do is press on this little plastic tab and pull it out. This second one is a bit trickier. You gotta use your flathead screwdriver. All you gotta do is put it right here and push the connector out. And that is basically it. Here's a closer look of that connector. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of Alpha.